Okay, great. Now that we went through Blackboard and the expectations, what you need to get done, the syllabi and all of this, we got to go through how for you to create your account in um, Testout. And then once you create your account, you'll be able to log in and complete the work. So in Blackboard, as I showed you where to find the instructions to complete, to create the account, once you go to a browser, preferably either Firefox or Google Chrome, um, as you can see, you have all the instructions telling you what to do, with the steps to follow, where to click on create an account. There's an arrows, as you can see, a red arrow that tells you what you need to do. You need your voucher, of course, with the code. The only thing that I want you to be careful about is usually enrolling, attending, like adding the school, joining a school, and then from there enrolling in a course. Make sure that you're in the WWW01 and your semester. So whatever semester you're in, the WW01 will be the class, because you're always probably going to see two COMS130, one on ground and one online, and yours is the online, so that's the one you need to join. And after the first week, I will check everything to make sure that everybody is in there. If you're not, I will definitely try to let you know about it. So once you have created all of this, you're good. Now you go ahead to log in. Once you log in, you'll be able to get a new page, and from there it will ask you to put your username and password, same one that you hopefully you wrote it down. Don't forget what it is, because then you might have some trouble. However, Testout is available from a technical support, and I did actually contact them and ask them about you being able to contact them just in case you want. They said no problem, just tell them to refer, so you can tell them that you're from Mott Community College, Flint, Michigan, and they'll be able to assist you with any technical issues you might have with your account, which I do not foresee. After I reviewed everything with them, went through the process, and everything looks great, and the class is up and running, and you should not have any problem. But if it happens, please contact me or contact Testout right away, and they'll be able to assist you with that. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And as soon as I log in, the class will show up. You might see two classes. The one that you need is the online section. So you just, after you created everything, you click on the course itself, and it will take you into the sections. There are 12 sections that we'll be going over. As you can see, starting with 00, 10, 20, 3, 4, etc., all the way to 12. And then on the bottom there is two practices exams, which covers all the sections. Very good, helpful for you for the test that you'll have, test number 2, and also at the same time it's helpful for the Linux Plus if you decide to go for it. So 00, as you can see, if I click on 00, it'll take me to 01, and there's 3 subsections in here, 1, 2, and 3. Those are just reviews. The author of this will talk about what Linux is, the certification, stuff like that. So I'm done with this one. I'll go back and do 1.0. 1.0 is where you start doing the work. As you can see, there's 11 subsections, and every subsection might have subsections in it. So definitely 1 and 7. Section 1 and section 7 are the longest. That's why section 1 I'm giving you 3 weeks to complete. So you have 3 weeks to complete section 1. You definitely need to jump on it as soon as possible. So number 1, section 111, it shows you, an overview of the shell, what it is. Then section 112, if you click on it, it's also information that you can read and review. Then 3, it's a video from the author where he's talking, pretty loud, on what to do and how to do. And then another video. These videos right here, those ones where he shows you the hands-on, those are the ones that you need to be very careful about. Why? Because it actually shows you how to complete the work. And you keep going, you keep going, you keep going, and then finally you have a quiz. The quiz, if you click on it, it says exam question, but it's a quiz actually. You click on start, and then there are multiple choices. There's 12 questions here, so I select my answer, next, select my answer, next, and let's say I'm done, and check my answer. So honestly, there is no reason for you not to get 100%. I'm telling you to cheat in a legal way, because even if you got it wrong, as you can see the correct answer right here. So this is the correct answer, showing you that that you did not get or whatever. So what you need to do is, the first time you got, I don't know, 70%, you want to get 100% on everything. write them down, take it again. It's that simple. It's not that hard. Same thing for the labs. The first lab, you did not get 100%, do it again. You get 100% on the second one. So I can go back to 1.0 and then go to section 1.5, for example. And within 1.5, there is subsections. There's 6 of them. So go to the first one, a video, go to the second one, go to the third one, go to the fourth one, etc., etc., etc. Then go to section 1.9. Same thing. As you can see, there is 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, etc., etc. So I'll go back to the main course and I'm done. Let's say I'm on section 5. As you can see, there's 3 subsections: 5.1, 5.2, 5.3. 5.1, there is 7 of them. 5.2, there is also, and so forth and so forth. Let me just give you one last tip before I conclude this. If you go back to account home, as you can see on the left hand side, there is something called personal reports. That's very critical for you to keep track of. Why? Because you can build your own report looking at the exams and the labs that you have completed. So whatever labs and exams you have completed, once you click on build report on the bottom right hand side of your screen, it will show you. Not every section and subsection has a quiz and an exam. Some of the sections don't have any. It's just material that you go over, watch the video, and that's it. So you might have in one section, you might have 7, 8 quizzes and maybe 3 labs. Some section you might have 2 quizzes and 3 labs. So keep track of it through personal reports. That's how you'll be able to keep track of what you have completed and what you need to complete. That concludes the presentation on how to navigate through Testout. I hope this is helpful. Please do not hesitate to contact me. Folks, 1.0 is really, really long. You'll need to take time to get used to Testout, how to work through it, how to navigate through it, and then also you need to make sure that you complete all the labs and the quizzes. It's a lot of points that you cannot afford to lose, and those are, you should get a 50%, the 50% of your grade should be completed through Testout. You shouldn't lose any points, and the other 25% is through discussion questions, which probably I'll post the first one sometimes in week 2. Wish you a great semester. Keep in touch, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me. See ya.